Discover how this chocolate peanut butter protein smoothie supports weight loss with 25 grams of protein, healthy fats, and 0 added sugar. The ultimate guilt-free indulgence. Craving something sweet, creamy, and indulgent but don't want to derail your weight loss goals? Meet your new secret weapon, the chocolate peanut butter protein smoothie. This decadent blend tastes like dessert but is packed with metabolism-boosting protein, fiber, and superfoods to keep you full, energized, and on track. Whether you're rushing out the door, refueling post-workout, or battling afternoon snack cravings, this smoothie is a game-changer. Below, we break down why it works, how to make it, and how it can become your go-to for sustainable fat loss. Why this smoothie belongs in your weight loss plan. Losing weight doesn't mean sacrificing flavor or satisfaction. Here's why this chocolate peanut butter combo is a smart choice. 1. 25 grams of protein. Curbs hunger, preserves muscle, and boosts metabolism. 2. Healthy fats. Peanut butter and cacao keep you satiated for hours. 3. 0 added sugar. Natural sweetness from banana and protein powder. 4. Adaptogens and antioxidants. Maca and cacao fight stress and inflammation. Unlike sugary shakes or calorie-laden desserts, this smoothie is designed to nourish your body while helping you shed pounds. Ingredients breakdown. Science-backed benefits. Let's dive into why each ingredient is a weight loss superstar. 1. Chocolate protein powder. Why it's key. Protein is essential for weight loss. It increases thermogenesis, calorie burning, and reduces ghrelin, the hunger hormone. Pro tip: choose a whey or plant-based powder with minimal added sugar. 2. Natural peanut butter. Why it's key. Healthy fats and fiber slow digestion, preventing blood sugar spikes. Studies show nuts can reduce obesity risk by 15%. Pro tip: opt for brands with just peanuts, no added oils or sugar. 3. Cacao powder. Why it's key. Rich in magnesium, which lowers cortisol, a stress hormone linked to belly fat. It's also packed with antioxidants for cellular health. 4. Maca powder, optional. Why it's key. This adaptogen balances hormones, improves energy, and may reduce emotional eating. 5. Frozen banana. Why it's key. Adds natural sweetness and creaminess without spiking insulin. Bananas are rich in potassium, which combats bloating. Chocolate peanut butter protein smoothie recipe. 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, or oat milk for creaminess. 1 scoop chocolate protein powder, whey, pea, or collagen. 1 tablespoon natural peanut butter, or almond butter for nut-free. 1/2 frozen banana. Ripe for maximum sweetness. 1 tablespoon unsweetened cacao powder. 1 teaspoon maca powder, optional, but recommended for hormone balance. Handful of ice cubes. 1. Add liquids first. Pour almond milk into your blender to prevent sticking. 2. Layer dry ingredients. Add protein powder, cacao, and maca. 3. Boost creaminess. Drop in peanut butter and frozen banana. 4. Blend. Mix on high until thick and creamy, 30 to 60 seconds. Add ice for a frostier texture. 5. Serve. Pour into a tall glass and enjoy immediately. 5 tips to customize your smoothie. 1. Boost fiber. Add 1 tablespoon chia seeds or flax seeds. 2. Cut calories. Use half a tablespoon peanut butter and increase almond milk. 3. Veganize it. Swap whey protein for plant-based powder. 4. Add greens. Toss in a handful of spinach, you won't taste it. 5. Sweeten smartly. Add 1 pitted date or a dash of cinnamon for extra flavor. When to drink this smoothie for maximum results. Breakfast. Keeps you full until lunch, reducing mindless snacking. Meal replacement. Pair with a handful of nuts or a hard-boiled egg for a balanced 400-calorie meal. Dessert swap. Craving ice cream? This smoothie's richness satisfies sweet teeth guilt-free. 3 common mistakes to avoid. 1. Using sweetened nut butter. Added sugars spike insulin, promoting fat storage. 2. Skipping the frozen banana. Fresh banana won't give the same creamy, milkshake-like texture. 3. Overdoing portions. **** stick to 1 tablespoon peanut butter. It's calorie dense. FAQs. Can I make this smoothie ahead of time? A. Yes. Store it in a sealed jar for up to 12 hours, but it's best fresh. Q. Is maca powder necessary? A. No, but it enhances energy and hormonal balance. Substitute with 1 teaspoon cocoa powder if needed. Q. Will this smoothie help build muscle? A. Absolutely. The 25 grams protein supports muscle growth, especially paired with strength training. Q. Can I use a different milk? A. Yes, cashew, oat, or even water work. Adjust thickness as needed. A tasty tool for sustainable weight loss. The chocolate peanut butter protein smoothie isn't just a drink, it's a strategy. By combining high-quality protein, smart fats, and mood-boosting superfoods, it helps you stay on track without feeling deprived. Whether you're a busy parent, fitness enthusiast, or someone battling constant cravings, this recipe is your ticket to enjoying the journey toward a healthier, happier you. Ready to blend your way to success? Whip up this smoothie today, and tag us on social media with your creation.